Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Sound Design channel. My name is FurCloud and today we're going to be making a Ben Böhmer style gated pad using Vital. So this is how it sounds. So you can also find this patch in the pack link below. And now let's just get started with the sound design. Let's copy the MIDI and let's open up a new instance of Vital. And let's initialize the preset. And now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the filter. And we're going to filter our oscillator 1 and 2. Now we're going to have a separate filter 2 for the sample noise oscillator, and we're going to have the cutoff really high and the blend at 1. So yeah, the cutoff is going to be at around 48 semitones. Alright, so now let's go to oscillator 1 and let's just move the level to around 50%. And now let's turn on our oscillator 2 and let's move the level to around 0.176, a little less than 50%. And now let's transpose it to +7, which makes this a 5th note. Now let's add a little bit of unison to 2 voices and percentage of detune to 2 as well. And now let's turn on our sample noise oscillator and let's just move the level of the noise to 0.003. And now let's go to envelope 1 and let's just add a little bit of release to around 0.608 seconds. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create our gated effect here, and we're going to use the LFO1 and we're going to create something like this. And we're going to be attaching this to the levels of the oscillators, like that. And we're going to have it a little more than 1/4. And now we're also going to attach this LFO to the level of the white noise. Okay, and now we're going to just attach this LFO to the filter cutoff. And we're going to have it at a low 8.93. And with oscillator 2, we want the level to be bipolar. So right here, we're just going to have it on both sides. I think this one is the oscillator 2. Just like that. And now to add a little bit more movement to the sound, we are going to be attaching this random 1 to the filter cutoff. Just like that. And we're going to turn the frequency of the LFO to 1/4. Alright, so I think we're done with the oscillators. Now let's go to the effects section and let's turn on the EQ. And let's remove some of those lower frequencies of the sound. And let's remove some of those higher ones. Just like that. Now let's turn on the flanger. And we're going to move the mix to around 17%. And now with phaser, we're going to move the mix to around 13%. Now let's turn on the chorus, and with chorus, we're going to have it at around the same mix. So that's going to be around 15%. Now we're going to add the delay. And with delay, we're going to have the mix at 50%. Just like that. And now the last thing we're going to add is going to be the reverb. And we're just going to have the mix at around 35%. Alright guys, that's how you make a Ben Böhmer style gated pad using Vital. Feel free to grab this patch in the preset pack linked below for Vital. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.